Alright, if you're like the Full Octane Garage, or I would assume most GoPro users, you don't use 90% of the functions on the GoPro. What you need to do is push a button, start the film, push a button, turn it back off. We shoot mostly car rolling video with the GoPros, and so stabilization is very important to us, but so is the audio and video. So in this video, we're going to put two GoPros, the GoPro Hero6 Black and the GoPro Hero7 Black, the new one on the block, side by side on an SUV, and just check out and see what video you think is better. We're just going to show them side by side and let you be the judge of what you think as far as the video quality, the audio quality, which we did isolate per camera, and the stabilization. Let us know what you think in the comments. The Full Octane Garage just received the new GoPro Hero7 Black camera. And of course we wanted to check it against the previous high-end camera, the Hero6 Black. And so we put together this little test. The Hero6 is on the left, Hero7 is on the right. Mounted them to Kurt's new to him Porsche Cayenne diesel, and took a 3 or 4 minute drive down the road just to see if we could see if there were any differences. Now both cameras are operating at 2K and 30 frames per second. The reason being is apparently the Hero7 Black camera, which is supposed to be the next step as far as stabilization is concerned, the hyper stabilization doesn't work in 4K or 60 frames per second. The first level at which it was working was at the 2K. So that's what we're operating in today. We thought it would be a good opportunity also. We'll isolate the audio on both cameras, and we can take a look at the actual video itself and see if there are any differences. If you'll check at the end of the video, you'll find we recently performed a comparison video on everything from the Hero 3, Hero 4, Hero 5, Hero 5 Session, and the Hero 6 cameras to find out which was the best. Of course, the 5s and the 6s were all pretty tight together, but there really wasn't a lot of difference. We're getting into a point as far as camera ability is concerned that you're going to get more features, but the actual image quality, the difference between 99 and 100% isn't much. This is an example of the Hero6 Black only audio. And now we switch to Hero7 only audio. Can you tell the difference? In our opinion, there's a definite improvement in the stabilization for the Hero7. The audio doesn't sound quite as good, but the video quality seems at least as good as the Hero 6. The stabilization makes it worthwhile to us. And let us know what you would think. Is it worth spending another $400 for a Hero 7 if you've already got a Hero 6 Black? Thanks for joining us at the Full Octane Garage. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and as always, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for joining us at the Full Octane Garage. And don't forget to check out the link for the comparison video of all the earlier models of GoPros.